Hello, everybody. Good evening. Merry Christmas. 'Tis the season. I'm here to tell you a little bit about a sweatshirt that I bought for my husband because I cracked myself up. I bought this for him because I just thought it was funny. I'm really into buying him like gag gifts because last year he got me a bunch of them and they were just funny and fun and pretty free-spirited. So I decided to get him this sweatshirt because we have like a few Christmas parties we're going to just at like friends' houses and stuff, and then like Christmas Eve we do with like my in-laws, and we like to wear we like to do like the ugly sweater thing. This actually is more of a sweatshirt than I thought it was going to be, but that's totally fine. It feels like thick, and I was surprised because I ordered it online. I was surprised like how heavy the package was that it came in, but that's fine. It's thick and it's very, very warm. So this is a Make Christmas Great Again sweatshirt, perfect for like Christmas parties and stuff. I mean, I did buy it for like an ugly Christmas sweater party in mind, but this is more of a sweatshirt, like I said, but that's fine. It'll have to do. Plus it's warm. So figuring since Trump is our president and it's just funny, I don't know. He cracks me up. And I think whether you like him or you don't, it's just kind of comical. So I think it's even funny to buy this for someone that doesn't like him because it's just even more of a joke. But I mean, I'm not a very political person myself, so I just find it very funny. So it just shows the times and stuff like that, which I like. It shows 2018 Christmas, and you look back at pictures, you'll be like, oh yeah, Trump was the president back then, and this was the slogan, and it's just funny. It's like his slogan with his like hat on it. It's comical, it's Christmassy, it's red, but you could get this in other colors, and then it has like the Christmas trees and the reindeer on it, the design. I think it's funny, and the decal feels like regular decal. Let's take a look at the brand. So the brand of sweatshirt, so it's just a sweatshirt bought by the company, and then they place the decal on it. So the sweatshirt is by Gildan Heavy Blend. Let's see here. Imported into Mexico. Sorry, I was just trying to see like where it was made and stuff like that. Okay, made in Honduras. It's an extra large. I mean, it comes in all different sizes and like different colors too. I think you got like blue, black, other colors that you might like better you could order, but I thought red was the most Christmassy one. Of course, this is just really going to be worn around the holidays. Let's see. 50% cotton and 50% polyester. And it feels so warm and comfy. Like, I'm going to show you the inside in a few. Just wanted to show you guys the care instructions. So you don't have them. Maybe they're inside. Let's see. Okay, so let's take a look inside the sweatshirt. It's very like fleecy inside. It's so like cozy and warm feeling. Perfect Secret Santa or gag gift as well. Very, very soft. The inside feels wonderful. It's like a fleecy material. I was trying to see if it had care instructions, but I really don't see any on here. Fits true to size. It's like the little elastic here. The bottom. I don't know if it's elastic, but I guess not. I guess it's polyester because it would have been listed on there. But it's like a stretchy material. So if it's, someone's maybe a little bit bigger than the sweatshirt, should fit nicely still because it's like stretchable and stuff like that. And then Gildan makes it, and then the company that I ordered this from just like had the decal printed on there. So while I do not see any care instructions on here, the way I would care for it is I would do like I would probably put it inside out in the washing machine, and then I would do like a light dry just because I wouldn't want to mess up the decal. But I'm really, really happy with like how thick and how soft the inside is. So it'll keep you warm in the winter time, and it's something that you could be really comfortable in. Perfect for Christmas if you're wearing it at Christmas and you're going to be eating a lot. So you could hide your gut and still be really warm and cozy. That's the best way to describe it, warm and cozy on the inside. And then it's just like it's just funny. It's in good fun. So guys, this was a Make Christmas Great Again t-shirt in extra large. I hope you guys found the video useful, and I hope you all have a wonderful holiday. Thank you for watching.